Hello, Madam Assistant Kamu African Professor One, Mom person with Chief Linguist, African Professor One, Kasabo, Modern subscribe, share, hit notification bell, to be I may upload a new video, no, anytime be and then to say, Ubacam Mom, Subacam, me to one more time, way African Professor One, unfiltered, young son BBR, so it's freestyle, is, highly informative and educational, and Ubaha, you won't be disappointed. To one more time, way African Professor One, unfiltered, young son, sanity, and Tino. Share na move conversation together and then come up person with you if Asante for your unity, your sense of unity, how united we are. I know a lot of people, some people may agree with me, some may not, but I know at the end of the day, and that's overall, if we look down deep in our subconsciousness, we know, say, you guys know, say, Asma Mekan is true. Me Asante pure. I love Asantes. I'm very, very loyal. I'm Asantini pure, and I'm proud of that. But the point is, no credit air back up. Tina make us a hano, a unfiltered, means son be biaso. Minidi atom, but no credit, dear Daniel Beto. Ye no doya, Asante for pa per se, no, among Asante for ye no doya. Ye Gia Hoko, Tino about Asante region Kumasi, you be all kind of fantasy time, dear Denny, will be a bio, Amraga, Amrafoni, and the ring, but Asante for ourselves, ye no. Now, I'll give specific example. Makasa and take right until then come me say now I understand OTUMFUO's concerns about Asantes disunity, Asantes disunity. Now I understand OTUMFUO's concerns or worries or frustrations about Asante disunity and disloyalty. And it's true. Minkase, say you Asante Funti, it won't be possible. That is not part of human condition. And if I that is not the point. And at some point in time, be out between policy disagreement be or he be between us, Yakunya Binane, Mentim once be Mamni, and it happens all the time. There may be a point in time, I've expressed my concerns about it be a coin be a kunya say, but I know you one thing. Now, did you or he be a term? Insult to say another thing. Na the entire other tribes be no munya quantum the Asante for term near Asante term. It's because of something. There's a gap. See, there's this unity gap. You need so united. So until baby united pan say just be in Tokobia pa but pan who says at this point, there's an existential threat between Asante nation and San Amafari. Sometimes now be too late. So, eti the maka we nyina anse me say sasoma make me boa OTUMFUO mre bi nche kra o kasa manhia o sia Asantefo ye no ya ho unity ni ho eni ti na ma ankofo bitimi didi ekeka nsem anye emfata efa Asante na ye wo ahemfu bebre amahina ahemfu bebre sha Asante na so no muti ho na Asante ni kwa na eko he said it na friend Matthias here ni nyina goes to reinforce the fact say Asantefo pa per se no united because the name be brave happy with him say it's true. Asantefo united. Now because Asantefo other tribes united, that's not my concern. I'm not talking about other tribe. No, I'm talking about my own tribe, Asante tribe. Me mama and papa pure Asante me Asante pure, and I'm proud of it. That no credit me call Bantima early. I want to be weird side too. Me call South Central SDA. Middle school no near the Honam Coast school. Me say Obia unimi make us say unimi be a bantima. O yan ya one ya tena ya ansa na mafama nkofo fifi baby a uma beji ho afa say uba okra unya baby a emfa no. But the point me making say anima bi wo ho a e true so soon for us to work no say Asantefo ye no do ye ho no ya de true na me maami na o ti ase na o ta bu baby na me sua na me nti ase o se Asantefo ye kiri dua me yesi aporo ye kiri dua. In other words, we don't like our own. We would be a chewing stick. Our first back in the day, nearly toothbrush, papa, and then an anonymous penny for use dua no near the adeno. Now, which you won't pay dua. A dear not be true. Since you get a tooth decay, which seems a best pro. And in other words, if you don't stick together, you don't stick together. Enemy be better me ramen tema about koso harm among your people. And that is in essence, and that's what my mom was trying to say. Asantefo chiri dua me pro. You see, that was deep, very, very philosophical. But now me tiasi, I feel my tiasi. And to fast more can it just align with what my mammy no can say. Asante fo chiri dua me pro. Oh, that's the fact. Nenche bia na COP Kofi Boache, former Ashanti Regional Police Commander. No be an interview no can say. What kind was why Asante for? United. We are not. Was in Asante fo Kofi Boache na kan you. COP Kofi Boache. Mumusan. Was this Asante fo and united? They said the other tribe be united. They can make president and not make president. In other words, they will be the kingmakers in Ghana. Because think about it, before independence, now Asante, Asante control about 2/3 of Gold Coast land. That's a fact. Now Asante, control by 2/3 of Gold Coast land. Now, Dr. Nkrumah, Sajifo Nkrumah, and they can't say because of administrative purpose to make things easy for administrative purpose. And what you can't say. Region near Brown half for near the region half for near, and I say, or he be baby asum be despite the fact that what you because of political, consideration and factors, baby asum be corner still small. That's anti-control. But so what happened? That tells you, say, Asante has a long and strong pedigree. I just said, it's there. It has stood the test of time. Now what happened? Because they say unity in New they say united, we stand. If we are united, divided we fall. Asantes, we don't have that unity. OTUMFUO can and a COP Kofi Boache. With a remember example, when Kase Kufuor, J. Kufuor, former President J. Kufuor, Temano pay flag bearership of MPP. J. Kufuor no pay flag bearership of MPP. Asante fo at that time now. I'm saying Asante region constituency about 30 something, as I say. They say 47 years. Now Asante fo I'm so when you about 3 constituencies out of 30 something. Asante region, Omotitiano. Now think about it, Sankako for you. Ibenian as I'm renew voter region and can be overwhelming the whole region. Unity not make no. So come in betwam and I said can be a go bra. Betwaman. But Asante, what happened? Huh? What happened? Omotitia Kufo. Senye other your first region, central region, the eastern region, any other. And got Kufo Gwenya, your friend say MPP flag bearership, ama no binya president credit. You see how Asantes do? That is what I'm talking about, Asante unity. Now Ron is your president. Can you say or you change it from military dictatorship to constitutional rule, republic form of government in 1992. Yeah, voter region now overwhelming every time or carry. And so here, say Asante region. Here the Asante for you be bia and I'm say baby you have many friends say President elect Mahama. Asante for you be bia and you move. Why ready Akufo do anye bibia kra Asante region. And Nima ye near the adeno. Me sure say, yeah, bibia ontimi bibia perfect. But guess what? Why you bibia crown is say Asante was schools be proper college opokuwa Amadia Kumasi Academy, you were Anglican, you was all kind of school, a DJ for secondary school, you say you train money at you will have a whole bunch of secondary school. Young Kola, come free. Education is the key. And you want your chance to grow. Mon yes, you can't show button cry and I say, yet me educate mama freer. Mas idea. Every baby became corner, and maybe a babano. A bet is a cuckoo, a best swabba, ama, so we will cry no, we kill nananum, being a bad way. At the end of the year, Yana NDC, and this woman for Asante, a woman for MPP, and your own for Asante for your Bogania swine. A woman for Bogania, woman for Asante for your foco. As you hear, Omanya, according to a year report to me, NDC Timenya 10 constituencies out of 47. What a crap is that? At the end of open. Now, you have to send the message. Obaka say, Asante Mamenka se bichram. Ebi enkofo bebre meti so bi ka say na your friend say Baumia na yiri efurani ni na say ni. That's the same card. Na NDC should play. Because we friend in the friend in the man first lady. And again, they were a lot of NDC firmu omo political campaign make money seem say Baumia any pure Muslim because we Muslim konko jina asole dem enko gigi communion and I say enko jina maso for monpire man ne yesu no we say okay Muslim. I'm just saying it. That's for sure. See, there's certain things be why open no then but down behind closed doors no. That was the message. Say hey, Moshe ba umi aye no the level of submissiveness no the way was when you all that submissive in the context of Muslim tradition and that's Muslim values because we said here we so sophisticated ne said here we see dressing we yen ho ne ade no all that Muhammad has to do and I said this for Samira when say onye real Muslim here the oye we say ogina hokra sa no ne ade Muslim me ba pa onye sade and was sign full and they play that card. Oh, and some play card be say ba umia and NDC MPP a Asante party. That's what it, which is a fallacy, which is a lie. A Asante party now ba umia ma sheda and o ma yini dinasi o. And so my head daddy Asante ni and na party na chi. Nti no o mo pe ba umia de na enya pa umunya no wie ya umunya pa wie ya no mo yina fure no mo de na pa hye ho enti titoto nkofo bebre tim they won't say openly but behind closed door that's what they do and Asante 40 ho matena out pim ranks so adenti na mo so de mo so nyina no matter what so mo say MPP Asante party say MPP Asante party and mo nyina to e ukwaso ase akotiala ne adwira no ne ade no mo tisi wo say yetuma adenti na voter hwe hohoi amawu bibie ni wa wanya ama hohoi constituency wo chese wo hwe sese ko voter region said the hohoi pa because of amawu jo amawu aye ho no enye easy as you heard you here o ma gisit no o ma chese NDC clear ho nyina the question is mo musa ho say voter region for atoma NDC and then omuye ma omo voter region but look because of loyalty because of the fact say party no matter what omu kromuni and also omu ade runners na take party no look at what they do look at what they did omu nyina etuma NDC you see that's Asante for moti ho and then mo kwa na no matter masa eti me kan we nyina na kwa mesikofo Asante for the be here no he General Champon ofi tabuom so General Champon ne union gov concept whether it's popular or not and he omo enkofo group of people be omo tutia your friend say a Champon union gov concept Asante for kan be overwhelmingly and so no ba giska yes twe yekura no giska won hosa and so at the end of the day call balo tuti a Champon they did that's Asante for you and no say I assume he say and get Champon ya ngurani anaso ofisire mu ha ofisire ho tamale ho gonja ho ba bia me say kom nyina kumbetu ama no that's Asante for you Asante for so the yankwan enim yankwan e the be a complain it didn't other tribes ni nya no mu kan sem hunu ne kwase asem e twene no because yem makwan yem yankwan na echi otio yankwan enim yankwan ye do ahoho yen ya so de ye kiredua and ye siapo yen ye do ahoho at the expenses of our own and then no OTUMFUO kan it be whether you agree with me or not and that's what I see. And I know say a lot of people agree with me. A lot of people I talk to, they know say Asante for you know what me say. Now I understand OTUMFUO's concerns about Asante disunity. Asante for you know yen kambo. If you cry unya no mu fie cry Asante, you fear busham cry no. If you cry unya na say we pa na. So wono bone no ebia wono akwa we de okasa dodo. Now so won kasa on so bia wo so na ya ho ya. Now you're brave, now you're pessiminkunya. We saw about you and your kids, and then this will be the that's how they do. Until you ni way bunny and the way bunny away when you free by me back, when you free papa back, when you free. That's how we do. Now we get a heart, we can't about catch and say, be in a Yakupon Babu will come and say, you are so on your bonnet dano, or 2 more ban America. ebi a me de me ye sinner Nyankopon so obae no wo se nya san kofo no ti na obae abonefo no mo sori amu nyo bi a maka za unity makasa fo mu nuanom ho ani ade a fi se mo ko a enso bi kura kasa no ye ne mu nyina na eka ho mo ni wo mu nyina na eka so ba the end of the day no mo sa ko gina ba bi se de o mu ni mu ho hweye no sa that's how we do Asantefo for you. I don't care about any other tribe. That's not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about Inuan Asantefo. No OTUMFUO aka. What's your Asantefo ye no ye ho? COP Kofi Boachi so aka. What's your Asantefo no ye ho? Nipa Kofo epe flag barriers. Asantefo letting it down. First time. A champion the same way. Angreni and standing here. Omu nyina beto am. Hwa ban se de umsi to no. Yes Asanteroji na NDC nya NDC so free nya Asantefo a. Ye yem se MPP Asantefo party. And the MPP Asantefo party there. Why don't you show your Asanteness? Asantinity. Why don't you show your Asanteness? Say MPP Asantefo party. What do you have to prove? More person prove so and yet true saying why? Who cares? Huh? Why? Me say now I understand OTUMFUO's concerns about Asantes DISUNITY. And so be benyawa. So be a bit menyawa you be nature because if you know Timuna na say baby ofino. Na a yini ho. So unity ni wa any enemy be na say bia can just penetrate. And that is what is happening to Asante. With all our history, with all our braveness, bravery, any issue, beneath that bravery, this unity, reigns supreme within Asante moral fabric, and that's for sure. That's for a fact. You may disagree with me or not, but that's what I know. That's what I see. One more time, we Africa Professor One. Subscribe, share with friends and family. I'll talk to you another time. Have a great day. Bye.